2006 Yamaha R6 having a starting issue. Previous owner, not sure what he did to it. It did turn on before. Did have to fix this hole. There's a couple of small holes on the side due to rust. There's a lot of rust inside the tank. Got that cleaned out. Put a fuel liner inside the tank. Fuel pump wires, there were some that were exposed. We got that all fixed up. Checked the stator on here, wasn't burnt, wasn't fried or anything. Two wires weren't contacting well on the kickstand sensor. Not too sure what he did, but got that fixed. Took the battery off the other bike to try it out. Previous battery was completely dead. Interstate didn't really help me much when I went to go try to get a new one. So it clicks. Before it was cranking and cranking and cranking, and it wasn't until I realized that I crossed two of the pigtails, those two for the fuel pump. They're both the same connections, but I had them crossed over, and I didn't realize until like I don't know how long. So I'm not too sure if I burned something out or there's a faulty connection somewhere. I checked all the fuses. All fuses are good. Everything is fine. Didn't find any open wires other than the back. But like I said, previous owners did some small little modifications. We had some new tail lights, and he had some other side markers, but those got screwed up, so I got to replace that. But yeah, didn't see any codes. Nope, just on neutral. It turned on neutral before, so I didn't have to put it in gear or anything like that. See what happens. It's a nice bike. Gonna redo the whole fairings. The fairing mount for the top cracked again. Well, the first one was cracked and I bought a new one, and then it fell, and then I don't know how it fell because when I got back the bike was tipped over. So I'm gonna have to weld that up and just go through everything again, man.